Now to start with, we need to find the base current and the base power. So this is the voltage and this is the current. So first we will have to find the base voltage, that is 220. We'll have to convert it into kVA. This is in V. So if you convert it into kV, sorry, it is 0.22 kV. Similarly, mm, base current, what is given is 100 amps. So if we have to give kA, it is zero point 0.1 kA. So the base power is going to be given by V into I, which is nothing but 0.22 kV into 0.1 kA kiloamperes, that is 0.022 MVA. The total resistance, so there are the resistance which is of a motor which is given here. So the total resistance is given by 0.15 plus zero point 0.2, which is nothing but 0.35 ohms. Finally, we need to find the Z per unit, or in this case we can call it as RPU. So ZPU per unit is given by, we know that what is the total Z into MVA divided by kV the whole square. All these are again base values we should take. The total impedance what we have calculated is 0.35 into MVA is 0.022 divided by kV is 0. 0.22 the whole square. If we solve it, the answer is going to be 0.159 per unit, that is Z per unit value. So here we need to calculate the efficiency is given by output plus losses. So here there are the losses. Here we have copper loss plus iron loss. Iron loss is nothing but the friction and windage loss. The copper loss is going to be calculated by I square R. This is per unit value again. It is nothing but so the copper loss is going to be given by whole square into 0.159, that is going to be your R. So we get 0.159 per unit value. Similarly, frictional and windage loss in per unit is given by already we know the total loss is given as 11,650 megawatts divided by watts. So that we instead of converting it into megawatts and then doing it directly, I'm going to just multiply it by the voltage and the current value, and therefore we get per unit value. So the total losses are here, basically we get 0.075 plus 0.159 together. The losses are 0.234 per unit values. These are all per unit values. Efficiency, if 1 is the maximum efficiency, output by output plus losses, so we will get 1 divided by 1 plus 234, it gives us 0.81, that is equal to 81% efficiency.